Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into an in-depth review of one of the most premium vans in its class, the 2025 Toyota Hiace VVIP edition. This vehicle isn't just a people mover, it's a statement of luxury, comfort, and high-end performance. Whether you're a business executive, VIP chauffeur, or simply someone who values comfort during travel, this Hiace VVIP is built to impress on every level. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Hiace VVIP comes with a bold and elegant design that sets it apart from the standard models. In this white color variant, the van looks sleek and modern. The front fascia features a wide chrome grille flanked by sleek LED headlights, giving it a strong road presence. The aerodynamic body lines, body-colored bumpers, stylish alloy wheels, and chrome detailing around the windows and door handles add to the premium look. Both sides are equipped with powered sliding doors, and the rear has LED taillights along with a chrome rear garnish that emphasizes the vehicle's VIP status. Parked in a luxury showroom, it radiates executive class. Now stepping inside, the interior of the Hiace VVIP is where this van truly shines. It feels less like a commercial van and more like a first-class lounge. As you open the sliding door, you're welcomed by plush quilted leather captain seats that offer full reclining functions, leg rests, and massage options in some variants. The lighting is fully customizable with ambient LED strips along the ceiling and floor, giving it a relaxing and modern atmosphere. A large LCD touchscreen is mounted at the front, providing access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle controls. Rear passengers enjoy their own entertainment system with smart TVs, USB ports, and wireless charging. The dashboard is wrapped in soft touch materials, and the wood grain finish adds a classy touch. The multifunction steering wheel is leather-wrapped and comes with controls for audio, cruise, and phone connectivity. Toyota has also added top-tier insulation, so the cabin remains quiet even at highway speeds. Under the hood, the 2025 Hiace VVIP is powered by a reliable 2.8L turbo diesel engine, paired with either a 6-speed automatic or manual transmission, depending on the market. This engine offers enough torque to ensure a smooth and powerful drive even when the van is fully loaded with passengers and luggage. Despite its size, the van handles well in urban and highway conditions thanks to its improved suspension system and electronic stability control. Fuel efficiency has also seen slight improvement from the previous models, making it ideal for long-distance travel and VIP transport services. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 Toyota Hiace VVIP edition doesn't come cheap, but for the level of luxury and features it offers, it's justified. Depending on the country and customization level, the price ranges between $65,000 to $85,000 USD. Some fully loaded variants with exclusive VIP features and interior modifications may even exceed that. So overall, the 2025 Toyota Hiace VVIP is not just a van, it's a mobile VIP lounge on wheels. Whether you're looking for high-end corporate transport or planning to convert it into a luxury travel van, this model ticks all the right boxes. Let us know in the comments what you think about this luxury van, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more car reviews like this.